The civil law is known as codified law. Civil law system originated in Europe, more particularly in Rome. Civil law is a set of law promulgated or enacted by the state in dealing with the rights of the individual. The civil law system was influenced by the Corpus Juris Civilis of Justinian. It became the source of various codes and turned into the fundamentals of making of the Roman law. The earliest dispute resolution was written down and known as Lex Dordicium Tabularum. Codes of Justinian comprised of 4 parts: 1 code to digest 3 novels, 4 institute. The earliest codification is known as Codes of Hammurabi, written down during the 18th century BC in Babylon. The origin of the Roman law can be traced back in the 6th century BC. In the process of codification of law, there was also influence of the church, social custom, and local law. Civil law is also known as the law of continental Europe or Romano-Germanic law. The features that we find in the civil law system: 1. As it is a well organized and comprehensive system, it clearly clarifies the rights and duties of its citizens, what to do and what not to do. 2. The unique attribute remains in its simplicity, without detailing in excess, and allows the changes as and when and where it requires necessary. 3. As in advance, it discloses the rules. Through its codes and rules, it allows the citizen members to regulate their actions. 4. One of the interesting features is its check and balance relationship between the legislature and the judiciary, wherein the legislature makes the acts and judiciary, as and when required, makes addition alternation within the ambit of the legal system. About 60% of the countries in the world follows the civil law system. Civil law are also known as private laws, deals with property, marriage, guardianship, torts, and contracts, etc. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh dear, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you soon.